Hello friends, today we will discuss economic surplus and economic deficit. Economic surplus refers to the total benefit that both consumers and producers receive from participating in a market. It is the sum of consumer surplus and producer surplus, and it measures the overall welfare or efficiency in the market. Components of economic surplus. First is consumer surplus, the difference between what consumers are willing to pay and what they actually pay is consumer surplus. Producer surplus, the difference between price producers receive and the minimum price at which they are willing to sell. This difference is known as producer surplus. We can understand with an example. Suppose a market for wheat. A consumer is willing to pay rupees 100 for 1 kg of wheat, but the market price is 70. Consumer surplus will be rupees 100 minus rupees 70. Farmer is willing to sell 1 kg of wheat at rupees 50, but the market price is 70. Producer surplus will be rupees. So economic surplus is equal to consumer surplus plus producer surplus. In the above example, it will be rupees 30 will be the economic surplus. Economic surplus represents the total net benefit from a transaction and is a key measure of market efficiency. A higher surplus means a more efficient allocation of resources. Now we discuss economic deficit, which refers to a situation where expenditure exceeds revenues. It generally applies to government budgets, but it can also refer to trade and current account deficit in a country's economy. Types of economic deficit. First is budget deficit, when a government spends more money than it earns through taxes and other revenues in a fiscal year is known as budget deficit. For example, if the government earns rupees 50 lakh crore in a year through taxes and other sources but spends 60 lakh crore, then budget deficit is equal to rupees 10 lakh crore. Fiscal deficit. It is the difference between total government expenditure and total revenue excluding borrowings. Trade deficit occurs when a country imports more goods and services than it exports. Example is if India imports goods worth rupees 600 billion and exports only 400 billion, then the trade deficit is equal to rupees 200 billion. Impact of economic deficit. It increases government debt, higher interest rates, country has to pay, reduced spending on public services, inflation. If it is financed by printing money, then it will cause inflation.